Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a random habit if you need some inspiration in terms of developing new habits and achieving new goals on the Blobby application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on add new habit. Select the category and then tap on this button random habit down below. Here, as you can see, both of the boxes have been completed by a random habit, such as your challenging daily goal, which is write down my wins of the day, and also a minimal version of that big goal. So if you are satisfied with these habits, tap on the save button. However, you can change them by tapping on the button again. So as you can see, you've got new challenges. So click on the save button to save them, and they will be displayed at your home page. So if you are done with it, tap on the done button and select which one you have completed. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.